Hi, uh, today in this video we are going to discuss how to write inside the Excel sheet. So example, I am writing all the month, right? So example, uh, January, February, right? So I'm just clicking, I'm just selecting the right side and I'm selecting I'm dragging and dropping. So here all the month, right? All the month it got no. It came automatically, okay, since I dragged it, because Excel, Microsoft Excel is having the same feature. Now this thing I want to make in the red color, okay, different color. So you just click it up, you select those cell name. Example, you want to select only January, select the January particular cells. So how do you know that in which cell you are in? So example, this showing on the here you see, right? So you are in, it's showing C3. It means you are in C column and row number 3. Okay. So anywhere if you want to see like October, in which sheet it is there, in which cell is there, you can see here it's showing C12. It means C column and 12 row. Okay. So if you can any cell wherever your mouse cursor is there, how will you know that which column? You can see it from here or you can see it from here. Similarly, if you want to go to the anywhere, right? Example, you want to go to the A1, right? So you just write it here A1. So you can go to the A1 directly. So, okay. So how to move around the sheet? So here you can just go no, right arrow, okay, or down arrow or left arrow or top arrow, right? If you want to go everything, just click control right arrow, it will go last. If you want to come down, you come to control down arrow, it will go to last. If you want to go to left again, you go to control left arrow. If you want to go to home again, you can click control up arrow, right? So this is how to move around the sheet. Okay, similarly if you want to copy anything, right, just click it here, and here is copy is there, you just click copy, and again here you select and you select the paste. So now the copy and paste it happens. Similarly if you want to cut copy, so again example February, you want to remove from here, you want to cut from here and you want to insert here, just click February, select February and do the cut, and you select it here and do the paste. It means this got moved also. Okay, so similarly if you want to whatever it happened, you want to redo, sorry, you want to undo, right? So you just select here the example February was there, in this cell was there, now you move to here by control X, then you want to see that this is wrong, which you should not have happened, so you want to undo it, right? So you just click it here on type, or undo column is there, so you can just click on control Z, or you can just select this one, right? So it moved to here. So now again you want to redo, right? Whatever it happened, again you want to move. So again you just click it here, Control I or redo paste. So now again it came to here. Similarly, if you want to highlight with any color, right? If you want to highlight with any color, example red color, you just click it here. So this font got red color. Now you want to make it size increase, so you just click increase font size, or you just select here, make it the size as per no. You want to change the different format, you change the different format, any format. Okay, so this is how the format will get changed, font will get changed. Similarly you want to make bold, just select and click bold. If you want to italic, just click I or control I. If you want to select bold, sorry, underline, you just select there and you make it U, like on underline. So here also the different shortcuts are there. For example, this is, if you still control B, this is control I, this is control U. Okay, so this is how you will write it everything. Okay, so this is how so in this video we discuss how to move inside the worksheet. Okay, similarly we saw how to copy, how to cut, and how to copy, how to paste. Okay, we saw like how to use the font, increase the font, decrease the font. Okay, we discuss how to underline, how to fill the, how to bold, italic, format, everything we discussed. Similarly, if there are multiple sheets are there, okay, if there are multiple sheets are there, And if you want to go with multiple sheets, then you can just click uh, one by one, or you just click control page up and page down. Similarly, yeah, if you want to fill with any color, you just fill this color like this. Okay. And if you want to make the alignment properly, example middle alignment or center alignment, just click center. If you want to make left alignment, click left. Just select the cell. And if you want to make right alignment, make right alignment. If you want to top alignment, do the top alignment. This you do the middle alignment, center alignment. This is you do the bottom alignment. So based on your requirement, you can do the formatting. Okay. Hope this video helped you to understand how to do the formatting. We'll discuss in detail also the other aspects of the Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and please hit the like button and share with your friends. See you in my next video.